Sir, the question, IIT JEE Advanced. If you apply limit here, limit extends to 0. This is root a square is a minus a 0, 0 by something 0 by 0. So you get 0 by 0 form. So you can use L'Hospital here. So various methods are there to solve. You can apply Maclaurin series, or directly you can rationalize and you can go for L'Hospital, no problem. So here I am using L'Hospital rule. So there is nothing but just differentiate, right? Limit extends to 0. L'Hospital rule, a constant differentiation 0. The minus as it is, root a square minus x square can be written as 1 by 2 root a square minus x square into the a square minus x square differentiation. A square differentiation 0. This minus x square gives you minus 2x minus this x square, you can write it as 2x, the by 4 as it is here. Now by the denominator differentiation, this x power 4 can be written as 4x cube. Differentiation of x power 4, 4x cube. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. The next part, the next step, you can write it as limit extends to 0. Limit extends 0, minus of minus plus. You can write x by root a square minus x square minus this 2x by 4, you can write it as x by 2 by 4x cube, right? So now take LCM here. LCM is 2 into root a square minus x square. That completely comes under one denominator. 2 into root a square minus x square. That is the LCM. Now observe cross multiplication. This is 2 into x, 2x minus x root a square minus x square. Right? Just take LCM, that is 2 into root a square minus x square, 2x minus x root. So this is the whole denominator. You can write like this into 4x cube. Now take x common. If you take x common, so what you get here? This x, and this x cube, 1x gets cancelled. Here you get x square. Now the numerator will be, your next step will be limit extends to 0, 2 minus root a square minus x square by, so this is 4x square, here it is 2, 4x square into 2, that is 8x square into under root a square minus x square. Okay. Now use rationalizing procedure, right? Now rationalize. Excuse me. Now rationalize. Now this is limit extends to 0, 2 minus root a square minus x square by, denominator is 8 x square into under root a square minus x square. Now multiply and divide by into 2 plus root a square minus x square by 2 plus root a square minus x square. Got it? Yes. So what is the next step? Now numerator is nothing but a plus b of a minus b. That a plus b of a minus b, you can write it as a square plus, yes, a square minus b square. If you go for a square minus b square, now this is nothing but limit x tends to 0, a square minus b square, that a square is 2 square, that is 4, minus of a square minus of minus plus x square, right? Just apply a square minus b square, just expand minus, you get minus of a square minus x square, that is minus a square plus x square, by this denominator as it is, just write it combined, that's it. 8x square into a square minus x square into, simply you get 2 plus root a square minus x square. That's it. Okay, now for a square minus x square, I am taking a bracket. Now observe given question. Given expression limit is finite. If you substitute x 0 here, this is important step. If x is 0, okay. So if x is 0, then you get 4 minus a square by the denominator is 0. Okay, 0 into something 0. If denominator 0, that is infinite. But given L is finite, right? So already given it is finite. Therefore, this 4 minus a square should be 0. If 4 minus a square remains in the question, then we get infinite result only. Okay. To make finite, erase this 4 minus a square or neutralize that 4 minus a square. Got it? Yes. Now to make it finite, definitely this 4 minus a square should be equal to 0. Okay. This is important one. A square is equal to 4. If a square is equal to 4, you get a is equal plus or minus 2. But strictly given a is greater than 0. Therefore, you can't take minus 2. You should take only a is equal to 2. So we got first answer, right? That is a is equal to 2. Yes, first option is correct. If a is equal to 2, what is the limit? Calculate. Okay. Now, what is the remaining part here? The remaining part is nothing but limit now limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, that is x square by 8x square into a square minus x square, and this 2 plus root a square minus x square as denominator as this. Here no change in denominator, right? Now this x square and x square got cancelled. Now the remaining will be limit x tends to 0. Now numerator is 1. In denominator, what is the change? 8 into root a square minus x square. So observe here, in place of a, I am writing 2, right? Already we got a as 2. Here I am substituting 2 square minus x square into 2 plus, in place of a I am writing 2 square minus x square. Got it? So in denominator, in place of a, just we are writing 2. Already we got a is equal to 2. Now apply limit. Limit x tends to 0. Then what is your final step? Here you get 1 by 8 into, if x is 0, this is 0, root 2 square is 2 only, 8 into 2 into 2 plus, so here x0 after substituting limit x0 root 2 square is 2 only. Now this is nothing but 1 by 8 into 2, 16 into 4, right? So 1 by 16 into 4, that is 1 by 64. Okay. So to make this finite, a should be equal to 0. Sorry, a should be equal to 2. After getting a, use a in limit, you get L answer as 1 by 64. The final answer, the limit value should be 1 by 64. Okay, here 1 and 3 options are correct.